Hey everybody, I'm Madison's dad, and this is Madison. Today, we're going to be doing the Puking Pumpkin science experiment.
It's spooky science.
What you're going to need is a carved pumpkin. You're going to need some baking soda, which is our base. You're going to need some vinegar, which is our acid, and I put some red food coloring in it to make it extra spooky. And when you add these two together, it creates CO2 bubbles. And that's what causes the puke. So Madison, if you would like to, what do you add first?
You would add this.
Baking soda first. All right. Go ahead and pour it all in. Whoa!
It looks like steam is coming out like a train.
It does, doesn't it? All right, now are you ready?
Yeah.
The coup de grace.
The vampire pumpkin.
All right, here we go.
This is the vampire pumpkin. LOL.
Oh, look at it go.
It looks like strawberry. He's puking strawberry.
Oh, it looks so good, I want to eat it. Ooh. What do you think of that?
Well,
Pretty cool,
I
huh?
think it actually burst.
Yes, it did.
Probably ate too much food or probably got
Oh, he ate too much candy. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make sure you try this experiment at home with your family. Make sure to like and subscribe because we're going to be making plenty more videos. Bye.
I also made a stream. Go check it out.